Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am very much excited to launch a brand new video series of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 that I believe that both are timely and important. A detailed and easy to understand exploration of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 or BNSS in English. This new law is not just change in name, but it is a complete restructuring that how criminal procedure work in India. From the registration of FIR to arrest procedure, digital trials, investigation timelines, victim rights, and more, BNSS aims to modernize the criminal justice system. It make to more efficient, more transparent, and citizen friendly. Friends, the goal of this series to break down the BNSS in simple English, section by section and topic by topic. Whether you are law student, whether you are professional, whether you are civil service aspirant or journalist or concerned citizen, this series will help you to understand what the BNSS says, how it differs from the CrPC, and what it means for the people of India. In each episode, we will cover one or more section of BNSS, highlight the key changes from the CrPC, and also discuss the practical implications with real world examples where relevant. In this series, we will also talk about the rationale behind some reforms and possible challenges and criticism that experts are raising. So, if you want to stay informed, understand the future of India's legal system, make sure that subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and share this series with others who might find it useful. Let's begin this journey together into India's new era criminal justice system with clarity and curiosity. Thank you for watching. We'll meet soon in next video with discussion of chapter 1. Till then, bye. Take care. Jai Hind.